Hello friends! If you are also looking to create AI images using AI, then you must have heard of Midjourney. But as you might know that, it is not free anymore. And you will need to pay if you want use it. So, in today's video, I am presenting you a new free AI image generating tool. Let's begin. First of all, search on Google Lexica.ai. Click on the first link. Here on Lexica, you can see wider AI images created by many people around the world. Now let's search for something specific, so we can see does it generate according to our needs. As you can see, I searched for a British boy wearing tuxedo, so it has generated many images. Okay, so you can see it does generated images exactly like I want, and some other look-alike images too. Let's me click on this image. Here you can see open in editor. Later in this video I am going to explain how that works. For now I am clicking on explore this style image. As you can see, it has given me more results related to that image. So we can filter like that to see if we get what we want. Okay, so let me also tell you how you can generate the images for yourself if you do not find the images in search of Lexica. Personally, I usually find the images on search, so it saves me lots of time and efforts. So, here I am clicking on generate button and describing what I want it to generate for me. See, it generated exactly what I asked. Also, it has given me 4 variations and I can make more detailed image of my choice. Let's see how. But here is a link to download in case I want to download any of this image. Here is a button called output if I click it. So it will generate a wider version of this image via outpainting. Let's see how it works. Here you can see I got some wider pictures related to the one I clicked. Now here is one more button called generate variations. Once I will click it, then it gonna create different variations of the image I clicked. Here you can see different hat and different suit styles, so we can download all. Or the one I like. Let's get back to the home page again. And let me show you something else there. Let's select one image there and then copy its prompt and then come back to generate and paste that prompt. In the negative prompt column, you just need to type the things you do not want in your picture as I am typing. Click on generate and see it has generated a new picture of this lady Zara. Now let's create one more and last example. See, I am asking it to create Tony Stark wearing Captain America costume. See the results. It's mind-blowing. Now it's your turn. Tell me in the comments if you have any question, or at least tell me, do you like this video? Don't forget to like and subscribe and share it with your friends. See you soon.